Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Hello, brethren. I've been hearing say maybe some people want to go and carry Mohbad body. Please, when this boy dey alive, it's my son. When he still go, he still retain my name. Nobody should go there to take his body. Please, I beg you now, people. I beg everybody, every one of you. If they want to do anything there, I'll be the one to authorize them. Nobody should go and carry Mohbad body from there. I beg everybody, please, Nigerians, help me chat on them. Nobody should go there. Because the judges will say we need justice for Mohbad. And people now say they want to go and bury. After bury, what will remain now? Let this justice take place first. And the rest of things we're supposed to do, the DNA is necessary. That's it.
àwọn yẹn ti wà ń bẹ. ẹ lọ jókòó sùn ni. no they already finish. àwọn yẹn ti ṣe tán bí àwọn yẹn ti ń jókòó síbẹ̀ gan wọ́n ti expect. gbé fìlà tv wọ́n wà ní ilé ẹjọ́ magistrate court níbi tí nínú ìgbẹ́jọ́ bàbá ẹjọ́ mi sílẹ̀.
With other family members. Yes, this is Mohbad family. So I hope I'm not talking to myself. Am I? Please let me be sure that I'm not talking to myself. Guys, is anyone here? If you can hear me, please give me a response. Mama Easy, Umi, can you hear me, please? Can you hear me? All right, sorry. So another family member, the relatives are here as well. That's the PA, and some member of the family are here. So we're waiting for more people to come. Like you can see, a lot of cameras already. So the essence of this is to come and hear from those who are directly connected to this case. We don't want sentiment. We don't want people to come and give us opinion that is not correct. So I say welcome to him. I welcome him, and he's here once again. That's the PA. Where is the PA? That's the PA. This is Baba's PA. That's Baba's PA. Alright, that's it. And this is the relative of the family. And the woman was this woman, sorry. She's also a relative from the father's side. Yes, it's also a relative from the father's side. So that is it for everything. You can see all of the cameras in the room. Okay, enough of this. Can you use another thing?
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.